Namaskar, this is Chartered Accountant Shilpa Shingare here. I would request you to cast your first preference vote in favor of CA Prabhu Ramesha. So whenever I'm voting for the macro level. I'm voting for a bigger vision. I'm not voting for a vision which is restricted to me or myself. That is how I used to vote whenever, because my vote is precious as I feel, right? So if I have to talk about CA Prabhu Ramesha, then he is the person who has served this fraternity, the Chartered Accountant fraternity, for over 34 to 35 years. He is known as Housing Guru. And I think he's not the housing guru, but he's also a management guru, because if you go to his office and if you see the empire what he has set up for almost 34 to 35 years, it's hard work that pays. The way he's managing the human manpower there, the way he delegates the work within the staff. So if you see that setup, you will feel that yes, this is the kind of management skills I should have. The person whom I'm sending to the Central Council should have. A person like Prabhu Ramesha, he has got such a wonderful social connect. He's connected to each and every person, each and every field. Politically, he's well connected. So his connect is not restricted to any particular party. He's connected, he's known. If you go to Mantralaya and if you just say whether you know CA Prabhu Ramesha, at least 50 to 60% of the people will say yes, they know CA Prabhu Ramesha. So when I want to vote for a candidate, I will see whether that person has got that kind of representational skills, whether that person can represent all the chartered accountant with the ministry to get some changes made in the act which is for the members. It will be good for the members. Then I see whether this person can create the opportunities for the members or not. Yes, this person is capable enough to create the opportunities because he has worked so hard in his domain field, which is real estate field, if I have to put it in a broader term. It's not only housing but real estate field. He's known as master of RERA, which is a recent act, So this person has created so many faculties, speakers, book authors. It's just because he has got that passion, which is his profession also. So he has created opportunities for the youngsters, the females, and I am the great example standing in front of you and voting, for his first preference, because I know when I started speaking in the general public, so he was a person who pushed me to go and give a lecture, and he was a person who allotted a slot to me out of his session, and he said now आपको बोलना है, ये 10 मिनट आपको बात करनी है. That was my first lecture which I delivered to a larger public, and that lecture gave me a confidence, and that is how you see Chartered Accountant Shilpa Shingare also having some skills which I have derived or which I have I've taken from Prabhu Saab when I worked with him, or when I'm working with him, or I'm associating with him for last so many years. But this person has contributed directly and indirectly to each and every council, that is Western Regional Council or the committees of the Central Council. And now it's time that we want to see him as a Central Council member. My humble appeal to all my esteemed chartered accountant friends and professional colleagues that please cast and give your first preference vote in favor of CA Prabhu Ramesha. And of course the slogan goes is CA Prabhu Ramesha, Saath Hamesha. Thank you.